So here's some practice in going from a formula to a name for organic compounds. And these first two probably won't be terrible, but the next two are a little crazy. So here's what I recommend you do. I would draw it out into a not condensed formula. So CH3, CH2, C, and then it has a CH3 in parentheses. So I have branches off of that carbon, and then I have another CH3. So once you have it drawn, then you can go back and number it to find your longest continuous chain. So I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, or I could have continued straight, or I can go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go ahead with the right to left version. So I'm going to call this a 4-carbon chain, which is a bute. So bute. You know what? I'm not going to have enough room, so undo. I'm going to write it over here, butane, and they're all single bonds. So I have 1 carbon groups on carbon 2. So I have 2 dimethyl butane. Okay, so that's the answer for the first one. The next one, let's stretch it out a little bit so we can see what's going on. We have CH3, we have C with a CH3 and a hydrogen off of it, so we'll draw that out. And then we have CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, so let's count our longest continuous chain. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or we could have the reverse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I could even branch up. Either way, it doesn't matter. I'm going to have a 5-carbon chain, so the 5 carbon is going to be pent, and it's all single bonds, so pentane. And I have a methyl group at carbon 2, so I would call it 2-methyl pentane, and that's that name.